Understanding administer, a key word for IELTS success. Have you ever wondered about the difference between managing and administering? Today, we're going to explore the word administer, a versatile verb that's particularly useful for IELTS candidates aiming for a band score of 6.5 or higher. Word type. Administer is primarily used as a verb. Meaning, to administer means to manage or supervise the running of a business, organization, or system. It can also mean to dispense or apply, especially in medical contexts, or to give or serve officially, such as an oath or punishment. Word history. The word administer comes from the Latin administrare, which means to help or assist. It entered the English language in the 14th century and has since become an important word in various professional contexts. Antonyms. Some antonyms of administer include neglect, mismanage, and ignore. Synonyms. Synonyms for administer include manage, oversee, supervise, run, operate, and execute. In medical contexts, it can be replaced with dispense, give, or apply. Examples used in sentences: the nurse will administer the medication every 4 hours. The government official was tasked with administering the new Environmental Protection Program. The judge administered the oath to the witness before the testimony began. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing administer with minister. While minister can be a noun or a verb meaning to attend to someone's needs, administer is always a verb related to management or official actions. Another error is using administer when manage would be more appropriate in casual contexts. To wrap up, administer is a powerful word that can elevate your IELTS writing and speaking responses. It shows a nuanced understanding of management and official processes. Remember its various contexts, from business administration to medical applications, and try to incorporate it naturally in your language use. With practice, you'll find that using words like administer can help you express complex ideas more precisely, a key skill for achieving that 6.5 band score or higher in your IELTS exam.